Hello there, manager and reader. My name is Asma Abdulwahid. I'm glad to present myself, a PhD student at University of Ibn Tufayl, Laboratory of Human Societies and Values, Department of Sociology. I will present the topic of Moroccans' perceptions about environmental volunteering from sociological approach. I will start by introduction and objective. Actually, people may act negatively and or positively towards the environment. Their actions shows self-awareness and different backgrounds. By using a sociological model approach, we would understand the differences between those actions. In my vision, the study will light on the unstudied area of researchers that would be extremely valuable for practitioners in the voluntary work who wish to create their own programs or their own projects or tailored programs. My objectives from this study was understanding the following main questions. First, how people realizing the value of volunteering and what are their perceptions about environmental volunteerism in general. Second, think about what are the main structural and cultural social barriers that stop them from volunteering. As you see in the picture, environmental volunteering can take very different ways, like ranging from neighborhood projects like picking up trash and planting trees to a global entity like protecting jungles and rainforests, and environmental education also. My methodology was done in Morocco in the region named Amr al-Sufli, Wulad Burahma, located in the southwestern part of Kenitra city in Morocco. The research relied on collecting data and documents from the town local office to explore the conceptualization of volunteer services related to their area. The questionnaires conducted in the autumn of 2018 for 500 people up to 18 years old. The main discussion of results we conclude from our study that the perceptions of the research individuals about the concept of volunteering do not recognize it as a community building activity, but it is present through a different way in their imagination, like volunteering, which is related to the Islamic practice. Additionally, volunteerism in the area organized to get financial or moral rewards. The impact of the work environment also take a place in this on volunteering performance. Also monitored as self-employment allows more freedom to practice volunteer work than working in the private or public sectors. Also, according to the study samples representations, its members link volunteer work and social solidarity in an obvious way, and they believe that the lack of volunteer work is due to the decrease or low levels in intensity of solidarity among members of the local community. They attribute the cause of the regions overall to the trust crisis. Sorry, here I have a mistake. The trust crisis. My conclusion was local development culture is an incorporated community effort and a values-based strategy. This is applicable when the chosen community's particular characteristics are taken into account. Any development project that does not handle these elements, as well as imperfections and negative values, is failed work or an idle dream. Future studies should focus on cooperative because choosing trust will facilitate the study of cooperatives or any social organization like association as example to improve the method of identifying individual factors that have an impact on trust in cooperative or any other organization. Also focusing on the mechanism through which communication tools, social media, and national internet sites facilitate trust building procedures and explore strategies to enhance these procedures in light of their manifold benefits. Thank you for your time. I appreciate that I am with you and have a good day.